Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to delete a language in Duolingo. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to delete a language in Duolingo, you need to delete the course that you have taken in that language. So to do so, you need to first of all tap open your Duolingo app, and from there tap on the flag like icon. Once you tap on the flag like icon, you can find the courses that you have selected. Here I have selected Korean language and Japanese language. So to delete it, simply tap on your avatar and tap on the gear like icon, which is settings. So once you're here, you can simply scroll down and tap on manage courses, then tap on the language that you want to remove. So once you hit the remove button besides the language given, your language on Duolingo will be deleted. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.